Hi again, everyone. My name is Ashlea and I'm a baby sign language instructor and children's author. I love to share stories and songs and all kinds of tips to make your life easier, a bit more fun, maybe a bit more relaxed. So, if you like what you see, you should subscribe and follow. Today's book is called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. All right, so we're gonna sing our ABCs with this one as well. So let's just see what's inside our book here. Here's our cute pictures. Okay. First, let's go through our alphabet. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, so we'll read the story and then stick around and we will sing the song as well. All right, so we'll do the photos first. There's our letters. It says, oh, let me move over a little bit. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. All right. We said D to E, F, and G. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. There goes H up the coconut tree. Next letters, oh, there's a whole parade of them. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. It's L, M, N, O, and P. Oh, and Q, R, and S, and T, U, and V. Wait, there's still more. Let's do that one. Still more. There's W, and X, Y, Z. The whole alphabet up the, oh no. Chicka chicka boom boom. What's happening here? Skit scattle scootily doo. Flip flop flee. Everybody run into the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Help us up. Sorry, there's the help us up, cry A, B, and C. Next from the pile up is skinned knee D, and stubbed toe E, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I, J, and K, are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped and N is stooped. O is twisted, alley-oop. Skit, scat, scootily, doot, flip, flop, flee. Oh, oops here. Check out that, because it says, look who's coming, it's black-eyed P. Q, R, S, and loose tooth T. Then U, V, and W, wiggle, jiggle free. Last to come X, Y, Z, or Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But, let's take a look. But chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. Full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka, boom, boom. The end. Great, there's our chicka chicka, boom, boom. Okay, so let's sing our song, our ABCs. We've had lots of practice. All right, so go ahead, hold up your A, and here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job. Bye, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe.